Hello dear students, welcome to our online lesson. So today's our second lesson and today's our topic is railway cargo transportation. So our today's lesson plan is first of all we will watch a video which will be very interesting for you. Then we will speak about our text, and after we will do some exercises. So let's begin with watching video.
Rail transport is a key element of Russia's economy, accounting for 87% of total freight volume. The Russian railroad network is among the world's largest transportation systems. However, capacity is still limited in some areas. Bottlenecks created by limitations in port and track infrastructure restrict the volume and speed of transportation. A rail car is only on the move 25% of the time. Additionally, demand for freight transportation has its peaks and troughs, both seasonal and cyclical. Grain movement peaks in the summer, while coal overwhelms autumn and winter. Rail cars are always in either short or excessive supply. There is a solution. A freight car's body should be detachable from its running gear. That way, depending on current needs, the appropriate type of freight car body could be placed on the running platform. Now, the same rail car can carry a range of different freight types. Transport efficiency can be improved further by using articulated platforms mounted on bogies with increased axle load capabilities. This design offers greater carrying capacity, both in terms of weight and volume, and allows freight car bodies to be unloaded and stacked without the need for warehousing facilities. How does this technology optimize the freight transport market? First of all, it stabilizes demand for rolling stock. A smaller railcar fleet is needed, and rolling stock idle time is reduced. Secondly, loading and unloading operations are much faster, boosting freight delivery speeds by a factor of up to 2. Third, this technology makes much more efficient use of existing rail and port infrastructure. To summarize, there's no need for additional investments to increase transport system efficiency. Detachable railcar bodies are an innovative solution and a new step in the development of rail transportation.
Okay, I hope that you understand this video. The author tells us the benefits or advantages of railway cargo transportation. He mentioned about the pluses and the advantages throughout the year, and I think that we agree with this author. So okay, let's go. So railway cargo transportation. So you should skim the text, and this text is divided into two parts. In the first part we will get acquainted with goods, and we find out information about categories of goods. So they are divided into three categories: noisy length, weight, and transfinite set of goods, the first category. The second one is dangerous goods. They are for example explosives, flammables, toxic goods, corrosive goods, and radioactive, and other ones. So the third category is perishables. They are food, live animals, and etc. So the second part of our text about freight equipment and commodities. And dear students, as you watch the video. The author tells us about freight equipment and commodities, the pluses and the advantages, benefits, we can say, as well as of such kind of equipments which are used in railway cargo transportation. So after text, here is an active vocabulary which will be very useful for you, I think. And then come questions. Okay, let's read them. How many categories are goods divided into, and what are they? What is a freight wagon? What is an open hopper car? What is a covered hopper car? What is a gondola car? Why a variety of innovative equipment types have been developed? Why we need flat cars? What is the size of flat cars? So, you can answer these questions only after reading this text very attentively, because all questions are taken from this text. And after answering the questions, please, in our Moodle platform, you can see tests after each lesson. Please try to do them individually and improve your English and your knowledge. So see you next time. Goodbye.